Hello English learner. Welcome to Learn Master English channel, a channel for learning Master English fast and efficient. In this video we will learn how to learn English, improve your English pronunciation skill. Improving your English pronunciation requires practice, consistency, and exposure to native or fluent speakers. Here's a step-by-step approach to help you. 1. Listen and imitate. Watch and listen. Listen to native speakers through movies, TV shows, podcasts, or audiobooks. Shadowing technique. Repeat after native speakers, trying to match their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Use YouTube and apps, channels like BBC Learning English, or apps like Elsa Speak, and SpeechLink can help. 2. Learn phonetics and sounds. Study the IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. Helps you understand how English sounds are produced. Focus on difficult sounds. Identify tricky sounds, e.g., thus in think versus this, and practice them. 3. Practice pronouncing words and sentences. Break words into syllables. Pronounce each syllable slowly before speeding up. Minimal pairs practice. Work on words that sound similar, e.g., ship versus sheep. 4. Record and compare. Use a recorder. Record your speech and compare it with native speakers. Use pronunciation apps. Some AI-based apps provide feedback on your pronunciation. 5. Speak daily. Talk to yourself. Describe your daily activities in English. Join speaking groups. Find language exchange partners or join online conversation groups. 6. Get feedback. Work with a tutor. A teacher or a native speaker can correct your mistakes. Use speech recognition. Some apps give real-time pronunciation feedback. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you can master English quickly. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips. Hello English learner. Welcome to English Master English channel, a channel for learning Master English fast and efficient. In this video, we will learn how to learn English easy way. Best way to learn English. Learning English can be fun and easy if you follow the right methods. Here are some of the best ways to learn English effectively. 1. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English by watching movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos. Listen to English music and podcasts. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. 2. Practice speaking daily. How to practice speaking English daily. Speaking is one of the most important skills when learning English. Here's how you can improve it effectively. 1. Speak with friends, family, or language partners. Find someone who speaks English or is learning and have daily conversations. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep talking. If you don't have anyone to talk to, join an online community like Hello Talk, Tandem, or Speaky. 2. Use language exchange apps. Apps like Hello Talk, Tandem, and Cambly let you practice with native speakers. Some apps offer free speaking practice, while others have paid tutors. Find someone who wants to learn your language and exchange conversations. 3. Practice speaking alone. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your plans, or your thoughts. Stand in front of a mirror and practice speaking to improve confidence. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. 4. Imitate native speakers. Shadowing technique. Pick a short audio clip from YouTube, TED Talks, or news. Listen and repeat exactly what the speaker says, mimicking their tone and speed. This helps improve pronunciation, fluency, and accent. 4. Join English speaking groups. Find local or online English speaking clubs to practice conversations. Join Facebook groups or forums where people communicate in English. Participate in live discussions on platforms like Reddit or Discord. 6. Use AI and online tools. Chat with AI chatbots like me or voice assistants, Google Assistant, Siri. Try online speaking tests IELTS speaking practice. Elsa Speak app. Use Google Translate's Speak feature to practice pronunciation. 7. Think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts, e.g., I am hungry. What should I eat? This helps you speak faster and more naturally. Final tip, don't be afraid of mistakes. The more you speak, the better you'll become. Even if you make mistakes, keep talking. Fluency comes with practice. 3. Improve vocabulary and grammar. How to improve vocabulary in English. Expanding your vocabulary is essential for fluency. Here's a structured way to do it. A. Learn new words every day. Set a goal to learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Use a notebook or a vocabulary app to write them down. Learn words with their meaning, pronunciation, and example sentences. B. Use flashcards and apps. Use apps like Anki, Quizlet, or Memrise to memorize words. Make physical flashcards and review them regularly. Try spaced repetition, reviewing words at increasing intervals for better memory. C. Read regularly. Read books, newspapers, blogs, or online articles in English. Underline or note down new words and look them up. Read different types of content, fiction, news, technical articles, to expand vocabulary in various fields. D. Learn words in context. Instead of memorizing random words, learn them in sentences. Example, instead of just learning the word enthusiastic, learn it in a sentence. She was enthusiastic about learning English. This helps you understand how words are used naturally. A. Play word games. Try games like Scrabble, Wordle, crosswords, or Boggle. These make learning fun and improve recall. Play with friends or use mobile apps for word-building games. F. Watch English content with subtitles. Watch movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos with English subtitles. Pause and note down any new words. Try watching once with subtitles, then again without them to test your understanding. G. Use new words in daily conversations. The best way to remember words is to use them in speaking or writing. Try forming sentences and using new words in real conversations. Example, if you learn the word resilient, say, I admire people who are resilient during tough times. H. Write in English daily. Keep a daily journal and write about your day using new words. Start small. Write 1 or 2 sentences daily and gradually increase. Try writing social media posts, emails, or short stories in English. I. Learn synonyms and antonyms. Instead of learning just one word, learn related words, synonyms, and antonyms. Example, happy, joyful, cheerful, content, sad, unhappy, miserable, gloomy. This improves your ability to express yourself with variety. J. Practice with vocabulary quizzes. Take online quizzes to test your vocabulary. Websites like vocabulary.com, BBC Learning English, and Quizlet offer interactive exercises. Final tip, be consistent and have fun. Learning vocabulary is easier when done daily in a fun way. Keep track of progress and reward yourself when you achieve your goals. 4. Learn through fun activities. Play word games like Scrabble or Wordle. Follow English social media pages and read comments. Try writing a diary or social media posts in English. 5. Join English speaking groups. Participate in English speaking clubs or online communities. Join Facebook groups or forums like Reddit. Arjo, English learning. Engage in discussions on platforms like Quora. 6. Practice listening and pronunciation. Watch TED Talks, news channels, BBC, CNN, or audiobooks. Repeat sentences after native speakers to improve pronunciation. Use tools like Google Translate's pronunciation feature. 7. Set daily goals and be consistent. Learn a little every day. rather than cramming all at once. Use a study schedule, e.g., 30 minutes of English daily. Track your progress and reward yourself. I hope you can master English quickly. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more English learning tips.